Scotts Valley, California, December 14, 2024.
Tornado, man. Serious tornado.
On Saturday, San Francisco residents awoke to a tornado warning, but none touched down there. It was the first such warning for the city since at least 1950. Tornado Alley it's not, but a section of California was hit Saturday with a rare tornado that has been blamed for injuring 5 and flipping vehicles as a storm moved across the state. A tornado in Scotts Valley, a small city about 6 miles north of Santa Cruz, threw multiple cars off the road, the city police department said on Facebook. Police Captain Scott Garner said 5 people, most in vehicles tossed or moved by the tornado, suffered injuries, but none were major. 3 were hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries while 2 refused treatment at the scene. A National Weather Service damage survey determined an EF1 tornado touched down in Scotts Valley at 1:39 p.m. local time and had an estimated peak wind of 90 miles per hour. The tornado traveled about 30 yards and caused the most severe damage on Mount Herman Road, the city's main street and retail district. Photos shared by the Scotts Valley Police Department showed cars strewn about on and around the road. Officers responding to the scene were called to reports of a multi-vehicle collision, but were astonished to see instead the aftermath of a tornado, including bent utility poles and extensive property damage, Garner said. California averages only about 11 tornadoes each year, with the northern Central Valley being the part of the state most likely to see one, according to the Weather Service. Earlier Saturday, the Weather Service had issued a tornado warning for San Francisco shortly before 6 a.m., but it was canceled after no tornado was organized in the area. The warning was the first for San Francisco City and County at least since the inception of reliable weather records in 1950, said Nicole Sarment, a Weather Service meteorologist in the Bay Area.
I was walking a customer out, and then we started noticing that the shopping carts were getting lifted, and so we started pulling the kids in as like it was yanking the door.
In Scotts Valley, the area of Mount Herman Road was expected to remain closed at least through Sunday morning as authorities assess damage in Pacific Gas Electric repairs infrastructure and restores electricity, police said in a series of statements on Facebook. On Saturday evening, more than 8,800 utility customers in Santa Cruz County were in the dark, according to utility tracker PowerOutage.us. The tornado formed amid a potent Pacific storm that helped to transport an atmospheric river over the northern half of the state, with a cold frontal rain band bringing up the rear Saturday, forecasters with the Center for Western Weather and Water Extremes said in a statement. In the small city of Mill Valley, about 14 miles north of San Francisco, police said floodwaters stranded several vehicles. In Novato, about 28 miles north of San Francisco, there was a citywide power outage amid storm-felled utility poles and power lines, the city said on social media platform X. It urged residents to stay home. The center rated the atmospheric river at moderate to strong, or AR2 to AR3 on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the strongest. The Weather Service office in Monterey blamed a rather potent frontal passage for the unsettled weather associated with the tail end of the atmospheric river, which included hail, ripping winds, and nearly 2 inches of rain in places, along with snow inland. The Weather Service office in Reno, Nevada, forecast as much as 20 inches of snow in the Lake Tahoe and Mammoth Lakes areas of California between Friday and Saturday. For the Bay Area, the forecast was for a night of freezing temperatures, bottoming out near 30 degrees, followed by sunny skies on Sunday, the Weather Service said in its forecast discussion Saturday.
I can't believe California has tornadoes.